All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So nail down, nail down. Yeah, definitely. So if there's a nail here, you're gonna nail it down. Yeah. To get something attached to something else. Yes. I want to nail down these chairs to the floor. We need to nail down the carpet on the ground. Quite important. Yep. We're trying to nail it down with more glue. Yeah. They might not be able to nail it down today. The builders could try nailing it down with more glue instead. We nailed down the furniture. Yeah, if we don't nail it down, it might fly, it might break. If we don't nail it down, then it might not work. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Without nailing it down, anything could happen. It could fall, it could break, it could anything. Yeah. If you don't nail it down, then it might not work. Yeah. How are we going to nail it down? Yeah, so those pictures, well, sometimes people nail down the chairs and tables so they can't be moved. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Now, nail down. So, can you use nail down in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.